Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video we are going to attempt to show you the difference between a 90Hz display and the 60Hz one. We'll do that by slowing down parts of this video we are about to record, and in this video we're going to record a fingerprint test, I guess, a scroll test, and also a rotation test. So the screens are off right now, let's just start with the fingerprint test. So here we have both devices, so you guys can catch that better. It's kind of hard to manipulate both huge phones. Oh, it's too slow. So here we have loaded up CNN on both devices, and we're just going to scroll through them. We'll slow down this video just to try and get that effect. So we'll see if the camera can catch the speeds. So just do that again. Scroll, start to be faster. So slow it down and see. Okay, now we've done the scrolling test. Let's try the rotate test. So rotate that. For the slow motion, we are going to increase the transition to ×2, so we'll get a little bit of. We're going to be able to see that transition a little more. So let's quickly do that now. Now I have both devices set to +2 transition, and we're going to use that to test. Nobody uses their phone like this, it's going to be frustrating, but we're going to slow down the transition so that in slow motion we'll try and see if it will help us get that refresh rate better. It will help us catch the 90Hz refresh rate better. So let's just go ahead, and as you can see the transition is a little bit slower, or much slower, but yes, we're just trying to see if we can catch that. Yes. Now let's take a look at those slow motion clips and see if we'll be able to see the difference between a 90Hz display and a 60Hz display in slow motion. Welcome back guys. Now you've seen the slow motion clips, and hopefully you guys now have an idea of what it feels like to use this device, the 90Hz display on the 7 Pro and the 60. Of course, I'm sure you're not going to get the whole experience from the slow motion clips, but at least you get an idea of what it actually looks like or how it moves, and that's the idea of this entire video. Anyways guys, that's the video, and please like, share, subscribe. Really appreciate that. And of course, we'll be looking to bring you guys more content on these devices and other devices also. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.